that man just box down your blood clot and kick you down. No one step in your belly. Where you want to say a blood clot then? Cause you go like afraid of you. Yes. Or frightened for bumbo all you. Yes. But show me never come out from that this morning.
This morning.
So where the bumbo all you talk about? Talk again and see if me no kick down your bumbo all like no to.
Yeah.
Hi, good evening. My name is Grace Hamilton. I'll be your servant for tonight. Have you decided what you want?
Yes, I like the fruit after.
Oh, that's lovely. Give me that one for you. Is that all? I'll be back in just a moment.
Wait 1 second. The crispy I like that. How about that instead?
Okay. So you change your mind. That's okay. Okay, I'll be back in a moment.
That I think Angus.
Okay. Will that be all? Alright, so I'll be back.
The lamb chop,
Look, your lady, stress out, no man at me bone. You know why you stress me, but you stress me. You have man problem, you have never let that job go. You can't make up your mind now. Every minute you change your order, what do you so? Your order, this your order, after this, everything you want what you change?
You can buy a house, not a home. With money, you can buy a clock, but not time. With money, you can buy a bed, but not sleep. With money, you can buy food, but not good health. With money, you can have insurance, but not safety. And this is the problem that we all have. There are things that you cannot buy with material wealth, with money.
So wait, if you don't, on Friday I Saturday stock.
Yeah, man.
So this is one now.
Yeah, but me need more stock. Say.
How you tell me, say man?
It more nicer.
Brother, I can't stock no more than this man. People look on the amount of orange and the man go tell me, you know, say this is start and not stock.
You want to see it any well stock?
Eh?
You think it's not yet?
How much you have a bag of orange?
7, 8, and 9.
So tell the people what your name.
Me?
Yeah.
Puyo, me name, man.
Buru?
Puyo.
And a few stylist.
Yeah, man.
Alright, see. So you're a farmer, so it's speed.
See you way.
How much you have for your farm there?
Yeah, all about the one there.
Ah.
And see one up there, sir.
Over there, so. See? Ah.
Yeah, man, I work on a farm.
And out of some name Porous.
Berrydale.
Berrydale Porous.
Yeah.
Okay. So people are Porous today, Manchester, on your way to Kingston. Man with the whole heap of orange, we come tell me say this is a style and a stock. See, the Jamaica Uncut Road.
Hello everyone, welcome to Gav Amazing Adventures. We're here at we're here at the top. We're about to go on the hike now.